Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in this particular field. And so this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profile into investment banking and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I'm gonna talk about what are the different kind of skill set that you require to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for the financial modeling or investment banking job opportunities, and then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will also be reviewing one of the best financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about that are the different skill set that you require to become a financial modeling expert. Okay, so the first thing that you should have is the conceptual knowledge. You should have a good understanding of the basic of finance, accounting, and the time value of money. Then you should have a good understanding of the profit and loss, balance sheet, and the cash flow statements, and how these statements are interlinked with each other. Then you should have a good basic to advanced Excel proficiency. You should know about how to work on different kind of models. Okay, you should be good with the forecasting of a company, how the revenue of the company is being driven, what are the different kind of costs associated with the business. Okay, so then financial modeling is not just about the numbers or just preparing an Excel model. So how you are basically presenting your analysis with the help of the dashboards, with the help of the charts and storytelling, so that really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that you should be having while applying for these kind of opportunities. Okay, so now I'm just coming to what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking opportunities. Okay, so the first thing that they basically looks in you is about your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from, how much you have scored in your graduation or your post graduation. Okay, so then they will also be checking your skill set, you have the basics to advanced skill set. Then you should be good with the financial analysis, and you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay, so once you have cleared both of these parameters, so then your CV or your resume will be selected for the any investment banking job opportunity. Okay, so now I'm just talking about the interview process. Okay, so let's say you clear both of these parameter, you clear on the academic background, you have the desired skill set, so then you will be selected for the interview process. Okay, the first thing that you will be doing as a part of the interview process, you will be going through a case study. So within that case study, so you will be asked to work on any industry overview, financial model, Excel test, depending upon the kind of requirement that they have. Okay, so once you clear that case study, so then you will be moving towards the technical round, so wherein you can be asked certain questions related to the basic finance, like accounting or ratio related questions. Okay, so then they can ask specific questions related to the investment banking or financial modeling, like what is WAC, what is beta, what is DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, equity value, and so on. Okay, so once they have basically checked your technical proficiency, in case they are fine with that, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So where within the HR round, so they will be checking your behavioral aspects, your attitude, and your soft skills such as communication skills. Okay, so if you have cleared all of these three rounds, so then you will be selected for any investment banking role. So this is the entire interview process. Okay, so now I'm gonna review one of the best financial modeling course based on certain parameters that you should be looking within any financial modeling course. Okay, so now I'm going to review this financial modeling and valuation analysis course offered by Henry Harvin Education. Okay, so I'm going to review this course basis these parameters. So you can just look at the parameters which are listed on the left. Okay, so basis these parameters I'm going to rate this course. Okay, so if we look at the course features, so these are the feature of this particular course. Just a second. Yeah, so these are the key highlights, you'll be getting 70 hours of instructor led sessions, 23 hours of live interactive doubt solving session, 12 hours of live master sessions, then 192 hours of self paced learning, 78 auto graded assessment, 14 plus industry case studies, 105 guided hands-on exercises, 7 plus assignments and mini projects, 2 mock interviews and 2 hackathons. So all of these things are basically covered in this course. Now I'm just coming to what is the kind of curriculum that they have kept for this particular course. So you are going to learn from MS Excel tips, financial statement and ratio analysis, financial management and corporate finance, project finance modeling, equity research modeling, financial reporting writing, cash flow statement, modeling practice, miscellaneous practice and resource library. So all of these things are basically covered in this particular course. So if we look at, like, if they are providing you with any kind of internship support, so they have said on their website like they will be providing there in this course. So based on these parameters, so we are going to rate this course. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a good course. Excel skills that you are going to learn in this course, live sessions will be there, okay, but those are going to be very limited because only 70 hours of live session will be there. Other than that, so you will be getting the access to the pre-recorded videos, okay. So 70 hours of live sessions are not enough to basically get trained on the financial modeling. So for that reason I've rated them 0. So live doubt session will be there, internship support they have mentioned, it will be there, placement support will be there. So course fees they have not specifically mentioned on their website. So this is going to be a good course. Then course duration, so this is going to be a good course if you do a mix of pre-recorded as well as the live sessions, so then it is going to be a good course. Then money back guarantee is not something which is available in this course. So LMS access that you will be getting for the limited time if you go with this course, okay. So you'll be needing the lifetime LMS access if you go with any good financial modeling course. So for that reason I'm just rating it as 0, okay. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this course has scored 7 out of 10, okay. So in case you are really serious about building your career in this particular field of investment banking and financial modeling, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course which comes with a complete package, which even covers some of the missing aspects of this financial modeling course, okay. So I can provide the details related to that particular course in the description section, okay. So you can just check out the details related to that particular course. In case you need any further kind of support from my end, kindly ping me in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.